What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another trapping video here. We have one big trap that's going to be set up right here and a trail camera recording that. For bait we have some tuna, some apples with, what else do we have? Peanut butter. So we're hoping to catch either raccoon or possum, and then we have the same kind of trap over there, but it's a little bit smaller, so only a possum will really fit in that one. We also got a trail camera there to see whatever comes by, so we're going to set those up, leave those overnight, and check them back in the morning. And we'll see if we caught anything. So we'll check back tomorrow morning. It is now the next morning and we are here at the trap, and we have caught a pretty big size possum right there. You guys can see that pretty well. But that's a pretty big guy. We're just gonna take him out, handle him real quick, and then we'll let him go. Look at the size of that guy. Hey, come here. Come here, buddy. Hey. Let go. Yeah. This one is not playing possum. This one. Ow. Hey, don't bite me. You can bite through a lot, huh? That kind of hurt actually. But here he is. Usually I pay possum, but not this guy. This guy wanted to bite me. He kind of did bite me, but look at the size of this guy. Very cool. Make sure I'm gonna let him go. Drop him right here. Hopefully he didn't bite through the glove. No, he didn't do that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty big teeth on these guys, you can see. But yeah, just gonna let him go right here, and he'll be on his way.